Okay. Hope everybody's doing all right. This is Kinesiology 231. Specific in this presentation is an overview of Module 4. And the module number 4 includes chapters number 8 and 9. I want to take a moment just to point out that during the first part of this term, we were able to go chapter 1, week 1, chapter 2, week 2, and go ahead and go in sequential order. But with the midterm, which I hope you guys did very well on, the midterm we had last week, it's now going to throw us off by 1 week. So we're actually in week 9, but we're starting with chapter 8, where before we would have been 8, 8, 9, 9, etc. Just so nobody gets thrown off there, right, guys? Moving on. So for Module 4, Chapter 8, we're assessing body composition. And the content will be lecture slides adapted from the book. For the videos, you'll have skin fold process for males and skin fold process for females. And it's actually, these are two really good videos that show how to accurately take skin fold, where to take it, how to go ahead and grab the actual folds themselves, and then also how to use the calipers to get a good measurement for skin fold. So I find both these videos to be very good and very informative. I urge you to use these and perhaps others from this library that's on YouTube as well. The assignments, you have the Chapter 8 quiz, you have lab number 8, which is on muscular assessment, case study number 4, so case studies back on if you remember your alternate weeks of case studies, and then for the post and response, like what is your experience obtaining body composition results? Have you used the handheld things that you see where you hold on to the two handles as bioelectrical impedance? Do you have a Tatana scale at home? Have you used other equipment like we have at Harper? Have you ever done body composition or skin fold calipers, whether it's on yourself or others? And take a moment to kind of compare those, right? We've used both in class. Kind of compare those two. Which one do you like better? Which one do you think is more accurate? Which one were you surprised, actually is a better question, were you surprised by the results from one or the other? Everything in this folder is being assigned on Wednesday the 22nd, and it's due by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday the 28th. Now we go into session 9. This is about designing weight management and body composition programs. Same thing, we're looking at content slides that are adapted from the book, and then also information regarding acute variables of training. The videos themselves will be specific to body composition through skin fold measurements, and you'll have a couple videos in there that'll deal with also bioelectrical impedance. The assignments will be Chapter 9, quiz from the book, and then also lab number 9. You'll notice over here that there is not, not a case study that's on our off week. And then the post and response, I'm going to look you to go ahead and build on some of the stuff we've been doing in class here and come up with a rough outline for, say, for example, if you're going to design a weight loss program, what would be some bullet points that you would hit on that? How would you outline a workout program over a month, a week, perhaps maybe 2 months? Just kind of get some rough ideas in terms of how you'd program at this point. Now, as always with homework assignments, they're provided on Blackboard, they're done on Blackboard, they're submitted on Blackboard, and they are graded on Blackboard. And depending upon the assignment, they can be done immediately as you hit the OK button, or if I have to do any grading on it because it's a short answer type of homework assignment, it could take a couple days. 24 to 48 hours is usually my target for that. And if you ever have questions regarding your grades, check the Grade Center. There should be an ongoing running total for your grades. And if you have specific questions just regarding assignments or homework or any other questions regarding your grade, please feel free to email me at afleisch@harpercollege.edu. All right, with that, we're going to switch from green, and now we're going to move on to blue. So I got to go change my shirt into a blue shirt. Have a good one.